Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about scraper for Groen Part Z006502. A scraper for Groen Part Z006502 is a tool used to scrape food particles from the surface of a cooking vessel. It is designed to fit the specific shape of Groen brand cooking vessels and is made of stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. The scraper has a curved edge that allows it to reach into corners and crevices, making it easier to remove stubborn food particles. It also has a handle that provides a comfortable grip while scraping. This scraper is an essential tool for any kitchen, as it helps keep cooking vessels clean and free from back. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Groen Z006502 is a replacement part for the Groen TDB 2020G tilting kettle. This part is designed to fix any issues with the kettle's tilting mechanism, such as sticking or not tilting properly. It can also help to reduce noise and vibration when the kettle is in use. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Groen unit. 2. Remove the existing scraper from the unit by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Install the new scraper for Groen Part Z006502 by aligning it with the existing holes and securing it with screws. 4. Turn on the power to the Groen unit and test that the scraper is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.